Howdy y'all, TheJTJ here with Inkscape tutorial number 25, Clone. Okay, so the clone function can be found under Edit, and there's a drop down under Clone. To clone an object, you just have to select something and Alt-D. That will make a clone. So the difference between a clone and a duplicate copy is that a clone will change if I change the source or the object that it's linked to. It will change its shape to match that one. If we go to Edit, Clone, Create Tiled Clones. Now we'll cover creating tiled clones in a future Inkscape tutorial because it is a pretty lengthy dialogue, and it does have a lot of functions that need to be covered in its standalone. The next function on the drop down is Unlinked Clone. So if you click that, now these two clones function independent, or these two objects function independent of each other. The next drop down is Relink to Copy, which will link a clone or an object to another one and basically turn it into that object, and it will be linked to it, and then you can manipulate it just like you had created it from scratch. Select original. So if we go in and let's make a copy of this, and maybe even another one, and maybe even another one, and you might forget which one was the original, you can always select any of these, go up to Edit, Clone, and select original, and it'll show you the path that it's traveling down. So let's do it again. Edit, Clone, select original, and you see the little dotted line that connects. It's showing you the path that these were created on, and select original. And now we know that this was the very first object, so if we change it, we're going to change everything else. And finally is clone original path. So if we do that, what it does is it makes this sort of object that wants to snap back. But if we duplicate this, Alt-D, it will make a clone just like we did. However, now there's a little bit more functionality because we can change the properties of these clones. So it's almost like a duplicate, but it's just slightly different. That's the functionality of the clone drop down. Join us for Inkscape tutorial number 26, Bucket Tool. Thanks for watching.